We are pleased to show you the 2016 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.